how to connect Nova to BullX Neo. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're first going to go to Nova website. I can't open it right now. It's not letting me open it. But after opening Nova's website, you should be redirected or be prompted to create or open it in Telegram, which is, as you can see here, I already have access to. So this is what you're going to see when you first open it. So it's going to ask you, so simply press or type dash or slash start, and there will be some wait list. But if you want to be able to access right away, simply enter a code. For me, I use the bullish over here as the code, and I was able to utilize our Nova over here right away. Now, after this, you're going to go and click or download Nova extension into your Chrome Web Store, add it to your browser, and you should be able to see it over here in your Nova extension. Now, keep in mind the Nova extension will not work if your Telegram is not yet enabled or like you're not yet able to utilize it as you can see. But I'm able to utilize it as you can see here. So if you now go to BullX over here and if you click on our Nova extension over here, you should be able to use the Nova extension together with your BullX over here. So as you can see, it will automatically appear when you open specific pages in BullX, and then you could easily utilize its features. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.